Everyone, so Bitcoin started going up. As I was saying in my previous video, we were having the expectation to continue going higher and higher, and we actually reached the 76,000. And now the big question right now is what the Bitcoin price is going to do next. Are we stopping going up? Are we going to go down from now on and find a bottom, or what actually the price is doing? This is what I want to talk about this video, because it's really important for you to have knowledge of the time frames. I have been repeatedly saying in my videos all the time, learn about the time frame, and it's going to help you a lot. So hopefully this video is going to give you a better picture of what the time frame is, how you can navigate the market like this, and how that can also make you have a good profit. So that being said, guys, this video is going to be a little bit short because we haven't had that much movement since my last video, but we still can see, if we go to the daily, that the trend is still bullish. Why? I was saying to you to pay attention to the 55 EMA, which is this orange line over here. You can see how we close above, but we got this massive rejection exactly at the resistance we had before. And I was saying to you to be careful, because first we need to close above. Once we close above, we know the Bitcoin price potentially is going to go in a bigger time frame, which it will be the weekly. We're going to go and reach around the 86 to 90k. This is going to be happening in the next weeks to come, so it's something to consider if we take advantage of this resistance and we go above. And as I was saying to you, this would be the area to enter, not right here where we are, because I was calling all the time to enter around the 60k territory. So if you did not watch that video and now you want to enter, this is not an area to enter. First we need to confirm that we go up, we break the resistance, and then we went the way back. Here's where all people did get completely smashed, because everybody is buying around this area. When the Bitcoin price go up, everybody's thinking that now we're going to 60 again, and people don't buy. This is happening repeatedly, guys, so I don't want that to happen to you. That's why I'm here showing you what exactly to pay attention in order to take advantage of the market. So now the big question is what the Bitcoin price is doing in the 4 hours, because as we can see, if we go to a small time frame, we can see over here how we have been going all the way to the 76k, and now we lose momentum. And we can see as well, like the Fortuna line, we still can see how we are in the strength territory, but I don't think it will be for long. I will explain you why. So either we're gonna go down to this area, or we're gonna consolidate. We're gonna see that in the next 24 to 48 hours. That's what it normally takes in the 4 hour chart. And after that, we're gonna see if the price continue in that area, or if we're just gonna go to the bottom side. But I don't think that we're gonna go below below the 70s. Why? Because let me show you. You can see I'm in the 4 hour chart. Before, once we smash the 55 and the 10 EMA, you can see how we always, as a minimum, we go to the orange line. We did here, then we just holding and holding the blue line, and then in this area the orange line it hold. So the question now is, this gonna hold here or gonna hold here? Well, the higher probabilities that we're gonna be drawn to the orange line. Why? I can explain you why, so you have a better idea. And remember, guys, if you want to follow me in my videos and have the setup I have completely for free, you can go to the description below, and there is a video when you can follow it and have the completely exactly configuration as I do have here and in this video and in all my videos, so you can also learn from it and learn how my strategy work in order to profit from the market. So that being said, what I'm thinking that we're potentially going to go to this area is because the time is already passing. We are in the forward chart, and this already have enough time with the green valley. Now we see how we start to lose momentum in the Fortuna line. So what I'm expecting to see in these moments, well, actually in the next hours, and show you on the next days, we're gonna have something like this, a big green candle that everybody's gonna be talking about. But this green candle, it won't go above the previous one, which was the 76k 53 100, if you want to be a little more exact, 151, and then we're gonna start going down. And this candle over here is gonna be the time of the 1 hour chart. If we want to use a magnifier glass, I'm gonna show you how we can check what actually is happening right now in this area. We're gonna go to the first to the 1 hour, and here we can see the green valley we're gonna have over here. Let me just draw it here. So as you can see here, the time is perfect. You notice already, if you're new to the channel, you need to just don't forget to follow me, smash that like, go and watch the video in the description below after you finish this one, and then you're gonna have a bit more sense what I'm talking about. So what I'm saying is, like, here is exactly the time when we should start going up. And that is what we're doing right now. We continue going up. What I'm expecting the Bitcoin price to do is to form small valley, green valley, which gonna be the green candle I'm talking in the 4 hour chart. Did that make sense? That's why I'm saying, like, every time you go from a bigger time frame to the small time frame, it's gonna pretty much you having this magnifying glass. And that's how you can see what actually is happening right here in this area. And what I'm expecting the most to happen in the Bitcoin price is to have a consolidation or coming to the downside, but no below this the 70s. Why? Because we have been forming higher highs. If we go below, then we're going to continue going down, but this should be support, because we can see the trend have been making higher highs for now. So let me remove a little bit of this mess. So that being said, why I'm expecting maybe to have a consolidation over here. This consolidation could be just to create some doubt in the market. A lot of people are going to fall into that, because normally that's what happens. If we go again to the 1 hour chart, we can see that we already formed that consolidation, and that is also the fractals, which I have been talking in my previous videos as well, not the one from yesterday, but in my previous videos, that when we see some patterns working in small time frames, that's going to be repeatedly happen in the bigger time frames as well. So let me show you. We can see right here the consolidation we have been having here after going up is something we're gonna create as well, potentially. Sorry guys, potentially we're gonna have it as well in the 4 hour chart. That's why what we want to see here is that the time pass. Let me see. The time pass, we start going down. We go like this, and then we go down in this area of the red valley. It's like either we're gonna continue here or we're gonna be around this 55 MA. We're gonna be over here. We're gonna come and reach it, and then is when we start forming already this area right here. We want to see as well how the Fortuna line is at that moment, but in that case we should start going up. And I do think that we're going to continue and smash this. Is the everything continue as it is right now, because we see that bullish momentum Bitcoin is having. Also, why I'm saying that, because if you go to the daily, you see we still have enough time to continue going up. We have the Fortuna line below the horizontal line. What we want to see is to continue going up. Once we break the horizontal line, it's gonna have a lot of strength and a lot of space to continue going up. Do we have time? Yes, we still have time. If we hope we will be already running out of time of the daily chart, then I wouldn't be saying what I'm saying already. And we can see already how nicely it is play out here. Let me show you this pattern, this bullish pattern over here, and that was something like now we can see how has been developed so nicely. And the weekly as well, guys. In the weekly we still have a lot of time to go. That is why I was saying to you in my previous video, like, if you pretending to buy right now in the daily, is not the best time. Why? Because we can continue going down, and then we're gonna have this retracement. I was saying to you to everybody, once we have the breakout, potentially we're going to do that. Here's the confirmation to enter, and in the weekly it happened, nothing is happening. We are bullish AF. So, and in that, just remember as well, like, this doesn't mean that the Bitcoin price is going to go to 100, 120. I mean, first we need to reach overpass the orange line, which is the 55 MA, and after that we can see again, study the market and see what the market actually is saying, if we want to continue going up or not, because we can see already the levels of the Fortuna line, they're already high and we don't have strength. Maybe we're going to do something like this. It's too early to say, but still, I would rather have the Fortuna line below the horizontal line to confirm that we're going to go really high. And with the whole geopolitical situation right now, I mean, I'm expecting and how also the stocks are working, which they are not working so bullish. I'm expecting the Bitcoin price to go to those areas, as I was saying, and after that potentially we're gonna go and find a bottom, which is gonna be an incredible area to buy. Remember that it's not 100%. That's why I started buying since we were at the 60, because at the end, if you check from the previous top, we went like 50%. Yeah, like 52%. So you already have 52% of discount. If you want 70, 80, you're being a little bit greedy. You do you, I do me, but I start accumulating from 60. If we go down, I'm gonna put even a higher percentage to my portfolio of Bitcoin. So this is pretty much what I wanted to bring to you guys today. Let me know if you have any doubt. I will be so happy to explain you more, and hopefully it is help you to continue navigating the market, taking profit as much as you can, because right now is an important time to be investing in Bitcoin. You don't want to invest when Bitcoin is just going up and up and up and up and up and up. You want to invest right now and just be patient, put money you are okay with that, and you don't gonna affect your daily life. Why do I say that? I don't think that we never gonna lose money in Bitcoin, but if with the whole tension, geopolitically talking, with the whole tension that is happening right now, if there is even more tension and Bitcoin continue going down and down and down, you need to be sure that don't gonna affect your life, because if it does, you're investing too much. But if it doesn't gonna affect your daily life, even if we have a major tension, you're fine. In the next years, you're gonna get so rewarded that you're gonna be happy for the decision you took. So that being said, guys, just remember to smash that like, share this video with a friend. I will appreciate if you subscribe as well. Like this, you can be supporting my channel, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.